And I know from experience that if I take my cold buttercream from the cooler from my last batch, because I didn't use it all up, I can mix that in and I can turn it on and I can just start rolling. So that's what we're going to do.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
All right. So, that being said, I need this. That. Yeah, it gets all solid.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, very.
Let's see what that you might need to put it in the cooler for 5 minutes. Alright, let's get this going. See what happens. I don't know, this is awfully darn loose. It would be wise for me to put this in the cooler for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Not quite there. There. There we go. Alright, so okay. Well, we should we need 5 minutes